This is Brian from Khaki Shorts. We have just arrived in Chalong, Phuket, Thailand. We've actually spent a couple of days in Phuket town, old town, staying at a hotel, but we've just now gotten to our condo that we rented for 10 months. It is the Noon Village Tower 2, and now I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you our small condo we rented.
This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense.
Okay, coming in from the hallway, there's a central main area here. Everything's done with key cards, so you don't have to have an actual physical key. I've got a little small dining room table. There's a shoe rack right here. Kitchen, which just kind of has some basic stuff. It does have some silverware, cups, bowls, things like that for you to use. So you don't have to go buy all that. It's pre-furnished. There is a microwave, our fridge and freezer, a 2-burner stove, and a hot water pot. And a small sink. So we're not going to be doing a ton of cooking here, but we are going to be doing some, so it's nice to have this. Turn around this way, there's a window right here, lets in plenty of light. TV, there's actually some storage below the TV, so that's good to have in an apartment this small. There's a small balcony, no chair. We may just buy us a little small chair to put out there. And then right next door is another small resort. This is kind of their restaurant and seating area for the pool right here. The drying rack out there so we can dry some of our clothes. Okay, let's go into the main bedroom. Not huge. Here's our bed. Got a TV on the wall. And as much light as we want or as little. There's a wardrobe right here. I can open that up. So hopefully we got enough room to hang our clothes. And there's a locking safe, so we can put our money and valuables in there. And some more storage down here. Now also under the bed, close this up, there are 2 rolling drawers, so we can store stuff under here, folding stuff as well. Okay, the main bathroom. There is a combo washer and dryer, which are popular over here because it takes up a lot less space. Single sink. Toilet with a bum gun. And then the shower. We're kind of bummed that it only has a rain head shower and does not have a handheld. We really like having a handheld, so. Thought it had one when we rented the place, but obviously it does not. So I'll show you the second bedroom. Same size bed here. And a good bit of light. Same wardrobe here, just without the safe. And then the TV straight ahead. And then this one also has the storage underneath. So, this one, the bathroom's not connected. You have to go back out to the main area. And then into the bathroom here. Sink, toilet, home gun, shower. Pretty much a mirror image, just a little bit smaller because it doesn't have the washer and dryer. Okay, so I'm actually in Tower 3 on the very top. They have a rooftop pool, which we have access to. Wow, this is nice. Swim right up and look over the edge. A little scary. Got some seating. You sit out here and sun yourself. And on top of the hill, you can see the big Buddha. cool view from here. Got the mountains. You go this way, there's Chalong Bay. The deluxe condos right there. And more of Chalong Bay. See some boats harbored out there. Nice. Got a feeling I'll be spending more time on this one than the one downstairs. But I'll actually show you that one next. So this is the second pool. This one is on the second floor in between the two buildings. Buildings 2 and 3. And I get the feeling that this one during the day is not going to get a lot of sun just because of the way it's oriented. That's nice. I felt the water upstairs and it's cool, but it's not cold. Be nice taking a dip here on some of these super hot days. Very nice. Alright, so I showed you the place before we've unpacked anything. We were about to unpack our suitcases and see where we're going to put all this stuff. So thanks for coming along on our little tour of our new home for the next 10 months. Just the two of us for a few months, and then Sarah's mother will actually be coming in September, and she will get the one of the bedrooms, and we will be in the other two. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can see all of our videos coming up about our journey here in Phuket, Thailand. Thanks.